out the window? Have you peeked at the sky? Are you trying to guess the weather? Well, don't even try. There's just one man who can decide. Who else but the weatherman?
And here's the latest weather report.
Hi everyone, this is your Wednesday edition of Hardcore Weather. I'm Rick Mitchell. It is August, what is today, the 26th, I believe, something like that. Going to be another hot day, but we've got a cool front that we're tracking. That's going to bring in a chance of showers and thunderstorms starting later today, more so tonight into tomorrow morning, and maybe some lingering stuff on into Friday, and then considerably cooler air mass as we head on into the weekend. So let's get going with the maps today. We'll start off with the 500 millibar flow. This is actually from last evening. Trough off to the east, flat ridge over the west, and a little disturbance coming in through the Rockies, and that's what's going to help push in this cold front that has already moved into northwestern Oklahoma, and as it does so, it'll bring with it a chance of rain. Here's the QPF today. Heaviest will be up across Kansas. I can't rule out a few thunderstorms, parts of central and northern Oklahoma today. Again, the better chances come tonight into tomorrow. That's the day 2 QPF with the heaviest amounts across eastern Oklahoma. Central Oklahoma amounts perhaps around a half an inch. Getting into Friday, the QPF folks at HPC move it farther east. I can see it lingering a little bit. This is a tropical disturbance that could end up being Tropical Storm Danny at some point today. The computer models are in good agreement that something moves into the mid-Atlantic states over the weekend, and that certainly could be Danny. All right, here's the NAM model. This is from 6Z this morning, valid at 7 o'clock this evening, showing a bunch of thunderstorms up in Kansas and Nebraska, and a few hit and miss storms by late in the day across Oklahoma. By Thursday morning, you can see the coverage increases considerably throughout central Oklahoma. Still, the heaviest looks to be up in Kansas, where amounts will be a couple inches probably up there. By Thursday afternoon, looking at a chance for still some thunderstorms around mainly eastern Oklahoma. Here's Friday morning, and the precip doesn't want to move out quite as quickly as the HPC guys had projected. So maybe we keep a chance of showers in on Friday. That's a Friday evening, and then on into Saturday morning. Look at that, even still some stuff hanging around Saturday morning. Not sure if I buy it completely, but it is something worth watching. Here are temperatures. This is later today, and the heat continues. We'll have mid-90s around here, 100s in the southwest, but watch as we go 24 hours in. This is a Thursday evening, and we see considerable cooling across the state. I think highs will mostly be in the 80s tomorrow, and then on Friday, the ADA goes pretty crazy. It has some 60s in there. I'm not sure it'll be that cool, but I think Friday, some areas could be in the 70s. Here's the European as we go out about the next week or so. This is valid later on this evening. One trough east of us, another one over Nebraska dropping into our area. By Thursday, got kind of a broad trough over the central and eastern United States, and that's what will help enhance the rain chances. By Saturday, deep trough over the upper Midwest will throw some precip on, and most of the precip, according to the European, is across the eastern half of the nation over the weekend. That is Sunday. Again, unusually strong trough over the Great Lakes states, something coming into the Pacific Northwest as well. Most of the precip either east of Oklahoma or well to the west. Now we're out to Monday afternoon, still a pretty deep trough in the eastern U.S. We start to see the ridge building a little bit more over the southern plains. For the most part, dry around here. It is showing a couple of showers in eastern Kansas. Not sure exactly what, maybe warm advection. Out to Tuesday, trough in the east, ridge building in the central, new trough coming into the Pacific Northwest, and most of the southern plains dry. Looks like the European showing some stuff down in Texas. So another hot day today. Cold front comes in, gives us an increased chance for storms later today, but especially tonight into the first part of tomorrow. We'll have to see if the models are onto something when they linger the precip on into Friday and Saturday. Definitely cooler weather coming in as well. So the heat going away for a while, and then once it goes away, it doesn't look like it comes back anytime soon, at least not any extreme heat. All right, I am in working today, so make sure you tune in to Eyewitness News 5 later on at 5, 6, and 10 p.m. Have a great day, everyone.